Okay, as a quick addendum to my review on the Anson that's just coming out. Hadn't noticed rose tinted spectacles, I believe. There are a lot of ejector pin marks. I only just noticed it because I started priming these bits. And again on the body sides, I'm wondering if some of it will be hidden, but I'm wondering, I'm going to have a look at the instructions. I'm hoping a lot of it's going to be hidden. That's obviously the roof, so looking up you're not really going to see a lot of that, but just a little bit annoying, but I'll have a look, see what you can see, you know. The ones in the side, but again, like, they're right in the middle of this. I know they've got to have them, but just a little bit annoying. So I'll be putting some filler in those overnight tonight and trying to sand them off in the morning as best as I can. A little bit annoying, but I won't re-edit the whole video because it's going live in about an hour, but I'll just add this little bit as an addendum just so I feel it fair to point out. There was me saying, oh, what a brilliant kit, and I stand by that. It's still a good kit, but how many there are is a little bit disappointing. I mean, did I really need this many to push this bit out? It's well supported. Yeah, anyway, just add that on. Cheers guys, bye.